Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to find data from one sheet and use it in another? So you're not alone. VLOOKUP is a powerful function that can help you do just that. In this video, we'll show you how to use VLOOKUP in Smartsheet to make your life easier. Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet application that can be used to manage a variety of tasks. One of the most useful features of Smartsheet is the ability to use VLOOKUP to pull data from one sheet into another. This can be helpful for a variety of tasks, such as creating reports, tracking inventory, and managing projects. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is a function that looks up a value in a table and returns a corresponding value from a different column. How to use VLOOKUP in Smartsheet. Open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to use VLOOKUP. Click on the cell where you want to insert the VLOOKUP formula. Type equals VLOOKUP. Enter the cell range of the lookup table. Type, comma. Enter the column number of the value you want to return. Type, comma. Enter true or false to specify whether the lookup table is sorted or not. Close the parentheses and press enter. Example. Let's say you have a sheet of customer data that includes their name, email address, and phone number. You want to create a new sheet that only includes the customer's name and email address. You can use VLOOKUP to do this. Open the sheet of customer data. Click on the cell where you want to insert the VLOOKUP formula. Type equals VLOOKUP. Enter the cell range of the customer data. Type, comma. Enter 2 to return the email address. Type, comma. Enter false because the customer data is not sorted. Close the parentheses and press enter. The VLOOKUP formula will return the email address of the customer in the corresponding cell. Advanced VLOOKUP tips. You can use VLOOKUP to look up values from multiple tables. You can use VLOOKUP to return multiple values. You can use VLOOKUP to create conditional formulas. VLOOKUP is a powerful function that can be used to make your life easier in Smartsheet. By following the tips in this video, you can master VLOOKUP and use it to automate your tasks and save time. If you're new to Smartsheet, I encourage you to check out our other videos on the channel. We have tutorials on a variety of topics, including how to create dashboards, how to use formulas, and how to collaborate with others. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials.